With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question here says that electron microscope has revealed the presence of or which among the following can be seen only under electron microscope. The options are ribosomes, chromosomes, chloroplast or leucoplast. So when we talk about the electron microscope, the magnification power of this microscope is from 2,50,000 to 4 lakhs. That means it can magnify an object up to this much times, right? And if we consider these options, out of these, ribosomes are the smallest cellular organelle and their diameter is around 23 nanometers is the diameter of ribosomes. So they are the smallest cellular organelle and they can be easily seen under an electron microscope, whereas under any other normal microscope they are not visible because high magnification power is required to see such a small particle. So the right answer for this question becomes option A, that is ribosomes.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.